Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your level, an open weapon slot, and at least one harmonizer charge or component. Once ready, open the map and travel to the Edge of Fate fast travel point. This saves time and avoids combat detours. Activate DeepSight mode before you arrive. This reveals the interactable object and hidden timers. When the artifact glows, move in and use the harmonizer interaction key. You're now past setup and into the first actionable acquisition step. Once you've initiated the harmonizer, you must follow the core sequence. Sync to the artifact, channel the energy, and stabilize the attunement within the visible 10 to 15 second window. While channeling, clear or crowd control nearby adds. If enemies interrupt, use a quick 0. 5-second cancel, then resume to prevent stacking failures. If instability rises above 25%, immediately feed 2 shards or equivalent materials to reduce drift. Make sure to keep movement minimal, while stabilizing to avoid. To finish, execute the final attune command and pick up the DeepSight Harmonizer Edge of Fate when the prompt appears. This finalizes binding and removes the artifact from the environment. If binding fails, immediately reset at the nearest shrine or save point and try again, adjusting your channel timing slightly later or earlier by a half second. If problems persist, remove any conflicting mods or consumables, then test with 1 shard before scaling up to 2 or 3. This single troubleshooting tactic resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.